Hello, and welcome to our guide on using note-taking apps. In today's fast-paced digital world, effective note-taking can boost your productivity significantly. Note-taking apps offer several benefits, such as easy organization, accessibility across devices, and a space for multimedia. They transform how we capture ideas. With so many options available, how do you decide which note-taking app is right for you? It depends on your specific needs and workflow. Once you've chosen an app, creating and organizing your notes is essential. Use folders, tags, and categories to stay on top of your information. Many note-taking apps offer templates that can save you time and provide consistency in your notes. Let's explore how to use them. You can enhance your notes by incorporating multimedia elements like images, audio clips, and links. These additions can help clarify your ideas and make notes richer. One of the greatest advantages of note-taking apps is the ability to sync your notes across devices. Never worry about losing access to your notes again. Collaboration is easy with note-taking apps. You can share your notes with others, making it simple to work on projects together from anywhere. To get the most out of your note-taking app, consider tips like setting reminders, creating checklists, and scheduling time for note review. Many apps come with advanced features like voice recognition and robust search functions, making it easier than ever to retrieve information. In conclusion, by leveraging a note-taking app's features and capabilities, you can revolutionize how you capture, organize, and utilize your ideas.